Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English. My name is John.
And I am Anna. It is so great to see you again.
In our last video, we talked about the morning routine. Today, we will talk about the next part of the day.
After the morning, we usually go to work. So today, we are talking about work.
Yes, work. Everyone has a job. Some people work in an office. Some people work in a hospital. And some people work in a store.
Where do you work, John?
I work at a motorbike store. I sell motorbikes.
Oh, that is very interesting.
Today, I will tell you a short story about my working day. I will tell you what I do every day.
Listen carefully, everyone. We will listen to the story first. Then, we will learn the new words together. Are you ready? Let's listen.
Hi, my name is John. I work at a motorbike store. Every day, I arrive at work at 8 a.m. The first thing I do is clean the motorbikes. I want them to look shiny and beautiful. Around 9 a.m., the store opens. Customers come into the store. I smile and say, "Hello, how can I help you?" I show them different motorbikes. I answer their questions. Some people like black motorbikes, and some people like red ones. At 12 p.m., I have lunch with my friends. We eat and talk about our day. In the afternoon, I help more customers. Today is a very good day. I sell a beautiful Honda motorbike. At 5 p.m., I finish my work. I lock the door, say goodbye to my friends, and go home. I feel tired, but very happy.
Wow, John! That is a very busy day.
Yes, it is. Now, let's look at the words from the story. The first phrase is arrive at work. A-R-R-I-V-E. Arrive.
Arrive at work means you go to your job and you are there. You arrive at 8 a.m.
Exactly. Then, what is the first thing I do?
You clean the motorbikes. Clean means to wash them, make them look nice.
Yes. And then the customers come. A customer is a person who wants to buy something. Let's spell it. C-U-S-T-O-M-E-R. Customer.
When a customer comes, you use a very good phrase. You say, "How can I help you?"
This is a very important chunk. How can I help you? If you work in a store, a restaurant, or an office, you must remember this sentence.
How can I help you? It is very polite. What do you do next?
I show them the motorbikes. I point to the motorbikes and let them see.
And today was a good day, right? You used the word sell. S-E-L-L. Sell.
Yes, I sell a motorbike. The customer gives me money and I give them the motorbike.
Fantastic! Finally, at 5 p.m., you finish work.
Yes, finish work. The working day is over. It is time to go home.
John, I have a question. In your store, sometimes the customers speak very fast. What do you do? I feel panic when people speak fast.
That is a great question, Anna. It is very normal to feel panic, but do not worry. Today, I will give everyone 3 simple tips to understand English at work.
Oh, I need these tips. What is tip number 1?
Tip 1. Listen for key words.
Key words? What does that mean?
Do not try to translate every single word. It is too slow. Just listen for the important words.
Can you give an example?
If a customer says, "Excuse me, I am looking for a black motorbike," you only need to hear 2 words: black and motorbike.
Ah, if I hear black and motorbike, I understand the idea. I don't need to translate everything.
Exactly. Your brain will work faster. Tip 2. Watch body language.
Body language? You mean looking at their hands and face?
Yes! People talk with their hands. If a customer points at a motorbike and looks confused, they have a question.
So, eyes are very important for listening.
Yes. Look at their face. Look at what they are touching. The situation helps you understand the words. Tip 3. Ask them to slow down.
But, John, is it polite to say, "I don't understand"?
Yes, it is very polite. Never pretend to understand. If they speak fast, just smile and use this chunk. Can you speak slowly, please? Let me try. Can you speak slowly, please? Perfect. Or you can say, "Can you repeat that, please?" People are usually very nice. They will speak slower for you.
Yes, they will. So remember, 1, listen for keywords. 2, watch body language. 3, say, "Can you speak slowly, please?" Now we have learned the words and we have 3 tips.
Let's listen to the story one more time. This time, apply tip number 1. Listen for key words.
Listen carefully. You will understand 100% of the story now.
Hi, my name is John. I work at a motorbike store. Every day, I arrive at work at 8 a.m. The first thing I do is clean the motorbikes. I want them to look shiny and beautiful. Around 9 a.m., the store opens. Customers come into the store. I smile and say, "Hello, how can I help you?" I show them different motorbikes. I answer their questions. Some people like black motorbikes, and some people like red ones. At 12 p.m., I have lunch with my friends. We eat and talk about our day. In the afternoon, I help more customers. Today is a very good day. I sell a beautiful Honda motorbike. At 5 p.m., I finish my work. I lock the door, say goodbye to my friends, and go home. I feel tired, but very happy.
Welcome back. Did you understand the story this time?
I am sure they did. See? English is not too difficult when you learn step by step.
You did a great job today. Now, we want to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what is your job? You can say, "I am a teacher," "I am a student," or "I work at a store." Practice your English in the comments.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.